What's up, y'all? I'm Honey Jack, and today we're gonna bust out some vegan mac and cheese. Now, I'm not vegan, so I'm a little nervous, but honestly, I've never had a recipe from BlackDoctor that I didn't absolutely love. So I'm just gonna trust the process, and we'll see how it turns out. The first thing you're going to want to do is take some cashews and put it in a bowl and let it sit in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. This is happening so the cashews can get nice and soft. Next, boil your elbow macaroni. Now you can do regular macaroni or gluten-free macaroni. It's up to your preference. Cook the macaroni as normal and stir occasionally. After you peel and cut your potatoes and carrots, you're going to want to boil them until they are tender. After you drain your macaroni, set it to the side. Next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to your cashews, potatoes, and carrots. Next, you're going to add all of your seasonings. This part is actually creating the cheese sauce. Now, I have a smaller blender, so I had to blend the ingredients in sections. So just pretend that you see a big blender in front of you, and actually that's what you're going to want to use at home anyways, unless you have a smaller blender like myself and you had to blend it in sections, which is fine too. Just make sure you're doing the correct measurements. The nutritional yeast is very important in the recipe. This is actually what gives the mac and cheese its cheesy flavor, so the more you add, the cheesier it'll taste. Next, you're going to want to blend it up really well, and you're going to want to make sure everything is blended up nicely because you don't want a big old potato or carrot in your mac and cheese. Next, take your minced garlic and vegan butter and saute it until it starts to sweat. Next, add your cheese sauce to the garlic and butter and stir occasionally on low to medium heat. For the final steps, add the macaroni. Yo, this is fire! BDO, you ain't let me down yet. For more vegan recipes, check out BDO's ebook, Vegan with Soul, located in the description box below, or you can find at bdonext.com.